Oh my gosh, I guess I should have parked back further. Stay back here, please.
Maddie, come back. Oh, good luck. How are we going to do that? Oh my God. Oh God. Oh good one. Oh my God.
I forgot how big it was.
Oh my God. I feel like climbing up the back ladder.
That stupid tree.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut that tree. Just a little. Oh my God. We were like that person. It's hard. Like to kind of like back out.
Oh my gosh.
It has a bike rack.
Good.
Yes, it has a bike rack.
Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Stop.
It's hard. We got it.
Holy cow. Maddie, stand next to that, so.
Oh my God. It's hard.
I forgot how big it is. Holy
Well,
cow.
I just want to climb up this.
No, because it's not off yet.
Oh, I know. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Oh my gosh, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard me. Can I go in?
Where's the girl?
She's at a thing.
Can I go
There it is.
Please.
Where?
Our RV.
Where'd she go?